Hi guys, welcome to Scripted Success Master. Today we are at chapter 4 and we will learn edit and view menu in Google Spreadsheet. Okay, let's go ahead. This will be the edit option where you will find first option as a undo and redo. It's a straightforward. Undo is something which helps us to go back in history, and redo is something it just helps us to go ahead of the future, whatever you have done the actions on the sheet. Cut, copy, paste is a it's also straightforward. Cut is nothing but I'll just show it here. What's the shortcut for cut? Here you can see the shortcuts here. Control X is the cut option, copy is the Control C, and paste is the Control V. Okay. Now I'll just show you. I'll just put Control X and I'll paste it here. Control V. So you can see cut paste is something you will remove the option wherever it was previously and copy it in another cell. So I'll just Control Z it. Now same next is paste special. Okay, this is the important thing to know. Okay, now I'll just do one formulation. I have done the one formulation here as a sum of the salaries. Okay, I'll just show you paste special option how it will work now. I'll go again edit. In paste special you can see value only, formula only, and these many options. Okay, another way to open that paste special option is just go click here, right click, and you will see paste special option again. So you can, now I'll just do one thing. I'll just copy this once. You can see formula in the formula bar and value in the cell. Now I will show how you can paste only values. So you have to go paste special. If you will click on a values only, it will put as a value only. So formula bar also will show the value and cell also show the value. Okay, I'll just go Control Z. Now I'll do some changes here. I'll just make it as a bold, some italic, and now what if you want to copy only format of this? So what you can do, you just right click, copy this. You want to format this cell as per this, so you can right click this space special and you click it as a format only. So what will happen, whatever formats you have done here like bold and italic, it will be converted or it will be transferred to the new selected cell. Okay, I'll just do again Control Z. Next option is paste special में formula only. Okay, formula only is the option and paste option here is equal and same. It will give a same option, like you click it as a copy, you click it as a paste, so it will show the formula and it will show the value. Now e column don't have any number, so it will show 0. Okay, next is conditional formatting. I will cover this part in detail when I will teach you conditional formatting, and data validation also I will cover in next upcoming chapters. Main part is transposed. Okay, now I will show you how transposed works. Let's say you are copying the column in a vertical direction. You just copy it by Control C and you want to convert that in a row or in a horizontal way. So what you just do, you just copy this, right click, paste special, and you just click it as a transposed. So what will happen, whatever you have selected vertically, it will show the data as in a horizontal way. Got it? So this is how transposed function works. Okay, you have formula also for that, but this is something shortcut. Okay, next is delete option. Delete option is straightforward. I'll just select something for you so you can understand. Delete option is you will get a multiple options here. So you want to delete value only. Let's say if I'm clicking on a value, so only value in this cell will get deleted. Okay, I'll just do Control Z. Next option is row 2. So what it will do, complete row, second row, it will delete automatically. So once you click on row 2, it will delete whole second row. Okay. Similarly, it will applies to columns. So complete E column will get deleted. Next, these two are important. Cells, matlab delete cells and shift up. So what will happen once you click here? So you will get to know ki this full column shifted by one position above. So you can notice it here. One position down is blank and all whole row is moved to upper position. So I'll just do Control Z again, and similarly it will work for similarly it will work for cell and shift left. So whatever data you have in the left position, so it will be, it as of now it is blank here, so it is just reflecting as a blank. Okay. Okay, we'll go with the next part. Next part is find and replace. This is most important thing whenever you have a bulk data. I'll show you how find and replace work. Let's say I'll just select this for example. I'll just go here. I'll click on a find and replace. Find and replace के लिए we have a shortcut as a Control H. So I'll click find and replace here. So what will happen if you want to change some data or replace some sale data in the bulk? So it will help you in good manner. So let's say I want to change this @example by @gmail.com. So what I will do, I'll just command them to find @example.com, and what I will do, replace it with @gmail.com. Another next point is where you are asking them to search it. So there will be specific range or all sheet or this sheet. So I want to do the changes in specific range, so it has automatically selected that because I have selected it before clicking on the find and replace button. So it has selected B1 to B13, and you just click it on replace all. So automatically what will happen, it will show 12 instances it has replaced by @example by gmail.com. It's that simple. So you can do find and replace for bulk data wherever you want to change the data in bulk manner. Okay. Now next part is view. Okay. View is nothing but options we have. View means view options in the Google Sheet. So first option is show. Show, where you will get a 4 options: formula bar, grid line, formulas and protect range. So I'll just revise it again. This is formula bar. So click on a view. If you don't want to see the formula bar, it is already ticked here. So if you click here, so it will remove the formula bar. So if you notice, formula bar, it doesn't have any tick. So if you click here again, it will come again, formula bar. Next is grid line. So these whatever grids you are seeing, these you can call it as a grid lines. So let's see, you want to remove this grid line. So what you can do, click on view, you can go show and click on the grid lines where tick is not there. So click on the grid line. So it will remove all grid lines here. You want to have it again, so just click it here, grid lines will come back. Okay. Basically you can hide the grid lines for a clearer view or a better view. Okay, this one is formula. Okay, you want to show the formula on this end. So obviously you can see it here. So formula bar has a formula and cell will have a value for it. If you want to see the formula here, you just click here view, click here and just click on a formula. So by default it will show you the formula behind that cell. Okay, you can go here again, just remove that, so it will show the value again. Okay. View. Next option is protected ranges. Protected ranges I will cover in upcoming chapters because protected range is a vast point to discuss. Okay. Next is freeze. Freeze is nothing but, let's say you want to scroll the data up, down or left or right. So you must have noticed all the data is moving. Let's say you don't want to move the heading but you want to go down to check the data. Let's say, so what will be the option, you can go to view, you just freeze the row. Okay, so one more shortcut I will show you. Shortcut is whatever rows or columns you want to freeze, you can just simply drag and drop this thick gray options here. You just, when you see the hand option here, just click it and drag down whatever rows you want to freeze. So you can see the bold line just move to this. So you can go down, you can freely scroll, but the heading will not move. Okay, simply I'll just put it back. Same thing will happen once for a column also. So just pick this and move to the right side, so it will freeze first column. And it's not just a first column, whatever you want to freeze it, you can move it like that. So apologies. So what you should do, just wait for hand sign to come, pick it and then place it, so it will freeze that much column. Okay, I'll just put it back here for everyone. Now next point is group. This is so simple and you should use this shortcut here, alt shift left and right arrow. Okay, group is nothing but you can group the columns or rows by just selecting it. So I'll show you one example. I'll just select it, I will click on group. So what will happen, previous column will have a symbol like this, where it's a button where you once you click here, so it will just hide the columns whatever you have selected. Once you click on this button again, it will show the data again. Okay, this is so simple to use and this will help you for a better visibility of the columns where you have multiple columns. As of now we don't have that, but it will help you when multiple columns are there. Similar thing you have it for a rows also. So just select the rows, click on view, go to group, so group it. So similar sign you will have on a previous row, just click on this sign so you can group rows by this. Okay, just click it again, and if you want to remove it, so just ungroup it. Okay, it is so simple like that. Next is comments. Comment is nothing but you can click comment, you can uh, go via right click and comment option also. So you will have a control alt M as a shortcut. You click it on the comment, so you can add the comment for the particular cell. Let's say I have on my HR department where I can see Anjali Sharma's salary is a little bit wrong. So what I can do, click on the right click, go to comment, I can tag that HR department. So HR at the rate some whatever uh, date email ID whatever I can put it here. So it will ask you to assign the task to hr.com. So I can click here and I can comment as a please check. So you will click on assign. So this task will go assigned to this particular hr at the gmail and they can check it. So you can use the comment section like this. So as of now I'll just cancel this. Next is zoom. It's just obvious, you want to zoom this pan, you can go zoom option from here also. You can just zoom it like this and zoom out like this. You can select the percentage, or you can just simply click on press on a control and scroll button, so it will also zoom in zoom out the option. Okay, next is full screen. Full screen is also obvious. Once click on a full screen, all the headings will go and full screen will come. Once you click on escape, full screen will go and all options will be back. So hope you enjoy and you learn the edit and view option. Come for a next chapters, so I will teach you balance menu options and this toolbar. Thanks for watching.